Some of you have been accusing my tacos of being quesadillas, but here's how you make a real quesadilla. First, you get a pan. It's dirty, but I can't clean it any more than that. Put the pan on the stove, turn that on. Then, next, you're gonna prepare all your stuff. The tortillas, it doesn't really matter. You can use anything. But the cheese I most recommend is this stuff. Is the best cheese, and that's what I use for all my tacos if I can. Assembly, you just put your tortilla on the plate you're gonna use. Get your cheese, just grab a handful, and just put it just all on one side. You can put it all over and then put another one on top if you want a larger quesadilla, but this is what I do. It's gonna look like this. You just fold it over like that. By now, the pan's probably warm enough, so you grab some butter and you throw it on there. Maybe I should turn that down a bit. Make sure your butter doesn't burn. Keep it moving around because it can burn, but it can brown a little, and that makes it better. This is gonna give the quesadilla a nice crust on both sides while I cook it, and it's gonna be really good. After your butter is all melted, you take your quesadilla and you put it on there. Then you just let it sit for about 1.5 minutes, and then you flip it. Okay, not 1.5 minutes, more like 30 seconds. Get your spatula, get it under there, and you flip it. Now I'll get you that nice crust, give it a nice crunch, and make sure you get all the butter and you scoop it over because a lot of the butter is going to be used up in the first toast. And then you give that another 30 seconds and it should be all done. Any cheese that spills out, just throw that on the pan and it gets crispy and it's really good. I like it that way. Now, I did burn the other side, but that's okay. It's gonna taste good either way. To make cleaning easier later on, you're going to want to just get a cup of water and pour that on. It's gonna make sure nothing really settles down and sticks to there. So I just got a glass here. I'm just gonna fill it with water. And then you just put a little on there. But be careful though, because it's gonna do that. That's why I have the fan, so it's gonna smoke a hell of a lot. You're gonna have it on here. You could eat it whole, but I like to just slice it right down the middle. Now it should be really good and slightly crispy. And it's a perfect quesadilla.